exceptional pressure to the fool who holds an 11 down the stretch.
Gosh, after such a big change, a new caddy, it's not...
Stop! All right. I'm sorry, Doc.